Dul mochung' ne kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo oyango chenro mar chwalo Siaya Institute of Technology nyaka e rang'iny mar National Polytechnic ma kaluwore kod director ma ochung'ne duol ma ochung'ne kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo e gwenge ma Nyanza John Wamai koloso e kinde mane gidhialo nyasi mar higni 100 mag kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo mineno ni TVETs. Wamai wacho ni chenro ni biro jiwo rowere mondo mi oriwre kod kar tiegruogno. Chenro no bende biro konyo rowere yudo lony mar chako tijegi giwegi. Japuonj mochung'ne kar tiegruok ma Siaya Institute of Technology Daniel Randa okwayo sirikal mar kaunti ma Siaya mondo osir chenro mage kaachiel kod jopuonjre mawuok e gwengego.
The direction in the Ministry of Education, State Department for TVET that we have taken is to empower the youth through training with appropriate skills which are required by the industry. Looking at that, we have decided that Siaya should not be left behind. And recently, we promoted Siaya Institute of Technology to Siaya National Polytechnic.
The country has turned its agenda to ensure the youth are empowered with desirable, manipulatable skills for this 21st century so that they become very compatible, very competitive, and very employable.
TVET was started actually as a measure to look at the population, to check the population that is growing, and most of our children did not have employment. So the issue of employability is something that has to be addressed. TVET is addressing it, and the county government is also addressing it under vocational training